Today, we're going to understand the ReplyRush affiliate program in a very simple way. You can create your own referral link and share it with other people. With this link, you can bring in up to 100 referral users. Let's get started. First, click on Affiliate Program. Here, you'll see the Become an Affiliate button. Click on it. Now, you've become an affiliate. Now, you'll see your referral link. This is your personal referral link. You can share this link with other people. Click on Copy to copy the link. Now, we'll use this link to bring in our first referral user. This is our first referral user. This user will open the referral link and go to ReplyRush to sign up. After signing up, the user will connect their Instagram account. Once the Instagram account is connected, the ReplyRush dashboard will open. Keep in mind, this is not the main affiliate user's dashboard. This is a separate user who joined through our referral link. Now, this referral user will purchase any ReplyRush plan. So, we'll go to Pricing Plans and purchase a plan. Once the plan is purchased, the referral becomes successful. Now, let's see what the referral user gets and what the main affiliate user gets. First, let's look at the referral user's dashboard. Here, the referral user gets a 1,500 DM referral bonus. So, after purchasing a plan through our referral link, the referral user receives 1,500 DM. Now, let's go back to the main affiliate user's account. After the first referral is successful, the main affiliate user gets an additional 2,000 DM bonus. This 2,000 DM is a first-time bonus for that referral. So, you do not receive this 2,000 DM every month. Now comes the most important part. When the referral user purchases a plan, the main affiliate user gets 20% commission on the eligible subscription payment. This commission is available for a maximum of the first 6 months. So, if the referral user keeps purchasing the plan for 6 months, you can receive 20% commission for those 6 months. But if the referral user only continues for 3 months, you will receive the 20% commission only for those 3 months. So the simple thing to remember is, 20% commission is available for a maximum of the first 6 months. Now, our main affiliate user has achieved the first milestone because we have completed one successful referral. Here, we can see, one referral user equals 2,000 DM plus 20% commission. Now, if we want to reach the next milestone of 7,500 DM, what do we need to do? We need to bring in 2 more referral users. Now, let's bring in our second referral user. Again, we'll go to the main affiliate user's affiliate program. We'll copy the same referral link. And now, we'll share this link with our second referral user. The second user will open the link and sign up on ReplyRush. After signing up, the user will connect their Instagram account, and then their own ReplyRush dashboard will open. Now, this user will also purchase a plan. The second user purchases a plan. Once the plan is purchased, this user will also be counted as a referral, and this user will also receive a 1,500 DM referral bonus. So, every referral user receives this referral bonus in their own account. Now, the second referral has also been successfully completed for the main affiliate user, and the main affiliate user will also receive 20% commission on the eligible plan payments from this second referral for a maximum of the first 6 months. Now, let's bring in our third referral user. Again, we'll copy the same referral link, and this time, we'll share it with our third referral user. The third user will open the link and sign up on ReplyRush. After signing up, the user will connect their Instagram account, and their own ReplyRush dashboard will open. Now, this user will also purchase a plan. The third user purchases a plan. After the plan is purchased, the user will also receive a 1,500 DM referral bonus. And now, our main affiliate user has a total of 3 successful referral users. Now, let's go back to the main affiliate user's affiliate program. And now we have completed the next milestone. The main affiliate user has achieved the 7,500 DM milestone. Now, the main affiliate user will receive 20% commission on the eligible plan payments from all 3 referral users. This commission is available for a maximum of the first 6 months. If any referral user stops their plan after 4 months, then the commission will also be received only for those 4 months. So, in simple terms, the main affiliate shares their referral link. When a user purchases a plan, that referral user gets 1,500 DM, and the main affiliate gets 20% commission. After completing 3 referrals, the main affiliate achieves the 7,500 DM milestone and also earns 20% commission. So finally, we have achieved the 1 referral and 3 referral milestones. Now, in the same way, you can bring 2 more referral users and complete 5 referrals to receive 15,000 DM. And in the same way, you can keep bringing more referral users and achieve the upcoming milestones. If you reach 100 referral users, you can receive up to 300,000 extra DM. Thanks for watching.